If you struggle to sell your generic products using Facebook ads, this strategy is going to help you sell out your product fast. And just in case you do not know, generic products are products that are easy to find. These products, they have a lot of competition. So when you run Facebook ads to them, your cost per action increases while your ROAS decreases. If you want to fix this, you should use the strategy that we have used over the years to get consistent sales for generic product. First, you want to understand the product you are selling and why you are selling this product. So I want you to take your product and do a research of this product. What problem or problems does this product solve exactly? Now, you have a list of problems, but you want to find a specific problem that your competitors are not covering or that your audience are not even aware of. For instance, let's say we wanted to sell blenders. Some buyers of blenders do not know that blenders are not just used for blending stuffs, or even how to make their own blender last longer. So you want to find a strong pain point of your product, and all your marketing should revolve around this pain point. So now you have the pain point. The second thing is to create a user-generated video creative that you use for your advert. And user-generated content simply means content or videos where users are already using your product. Don't worry if you've not sold anything, you can make this video yourself. Just use this video and create a transformational information about the ability of your product. Remember, not just informational, it has to transform. So we are creating transformational content, not just informational content. So we have the creative now, and the most important thing is how we approach the market. You see, Facebook is not a search engine, so people are not there searching for what to buy. So how you market to them is very, very important. And that's why we use only two strategies to do this. So the first phase of your campaign should be the awareness phase, where you consistently show your UGC products or videos to the target audience. You can even leave this audience broad for now. It doesn't really matter. Just target them for a number of days. And then you want to create a retargeting campaign of the custom audience and the lookalike audience of those who are interested in your product. So in your lookalike audience and your custom audience, this is where you actually sell. So you can use the same creative, or you can tweak the creative and then make them an offer of, let's say, a blender. If this blender spoils in 3 months, bring it back and we'll give you your money back. This is where you sell to them with assurance and an offer that they cannot refuse. And if you do this, I can assure you that you sell out your blenders or your generic products consistently. And if this video helps you, like it and follow me.